Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix high data consumption on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix high data consumption on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Network and Internet. Then click on Advanced Network Settings. Here you will find Data Uses. Click on Data Uses. Here you will find the statistics of last 30 days data uses. You can limit the data uses from the system. Click on Enter Limit. Limit type is monthly and reset every month on 1, and data uses select here GB and select 1 GB. Now click on save, and here you will find metered connection. Some app might work differently to help reduce data uses, and now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Again click on Network and Internet, click on Ethernet, and make sure metered connection is turned on. Now close settings. Now right click on taskbar, click on task manager, and here you will find click on startup apps, and here you will find many apps are enabled. Just select app and click on disable. Select one by one and disable it, or you can right click and click on disable, and right click and click on disable, and you have to disable all startup app from here. Now close task manager. Again right click on start menu, go to settings, click on Windows Update, and here on pause update, click on pause for a week. Now update is paused. Close settings, inserts, child services, right click on services, click on run as administrator, and now scroll down. Here you will find Windows Update. Right click on Windows Update and click on properties, click on stop update. Here you will find startup type, manual is selected, click on the drop down and click on disabled. Click on apply and then click on OK. Close service console. Again right click on start menu, click on settings, and then click on apps, click on offline maps. Here you will find map updates. Click on the drop down here and uncheck update automatically when plugged in and on Wi-Fi. Close settings. Again right click on start menu, click on settings, click on apps, and then click on installed apps. Now scroll down. Here you will find two apps, mail and calendar and maps. These two apps are using data in background. In mail and calendar, click on three dot icon and click on advanced options. Scroll down, and here you will find background app permission. Now power optimized is selected. Click on the drop down and select never. Again go to install apps, and then in maps click on the drop down, click on advanced options, and here background app permission, just select never also. Close settings, click on start menu, and then Click on Microsoft Store, click on your profile icon and click on settings. Here you will find app updates, and now it's turned on. Just turn it off. And notification also turn off. Purchase without passcode turn off. Offline permission turn off, and video autoplay also will be turned off. Now close Microsoft Store. This is the easiest way to fix high data consumption in Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.